Now, with 1 day to go, so many of the new investors are asking themselves a question, and that is, how many sales did NEO generate for the month of August? This is something that we look forward to, as chances are very high that it is coming on Monday, but it can happen that they come out tomorrow. We have still not had a confirmation of whether they are coming tomorrow or Monday, right? But we look forward to those deliveries, because once again for NEO they will be very important, as any number over 20,000 will mean that NEO has delivered 20,000 for 4 months in a row, which is something that is pretty good, right? I mean, NEO is a company that has showed improvement when it comes to their sales, and this will validate whatever we've been saying about NEO, and that is blue sky is coming. Now, you will know that there is a current auto show taking place in Chengdu, where when it comes to the insurance registration, the president of NEO indicated that they are not happy with the numbers once again that Li Auto is publishing on a weekly basis, and they stressed the point that they are not accurate. They don't reflect what's happening internally, and of course they have requested Li Auto to stop sharing these numbers, but Li Auto continues sharing these numbers. But anyways, though they are not accurate, they sort of like give a guidance, I suppose, because even the big financial institutions, sometimes we are seeing them using the very same number to do their projections as to the kind of deliveries they expect NEO to deliver. So with 1 day to go, I think we will all get the numbers, and these delivery numbers are much more important than insurance registrations, because as the president of NEO is saying, I suppose they are not as accurate, and therefore we should not rely much on them. We need to rely on the numbers that NEO announce officially, which are audited, which are the ones that guide us on the performance of NEO. So 20,000 will mean that NEO for Q3 already they've sold over 40,000 deliveries, and we'll just be awaiting September to close off Q3, where, as my prediction or estimate, I believe that NEO is going to sell over 60,000 deliveries for the total Q3, which is something that will be so great to see, because the current quarterly record that NEO holds is the Q2 deliveries, which came about to 57,373. So 60,000, it will be a good improvement from the 57,373 deliveries that we currently have, that NEO currently has as their record. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I not only look forward to tomorrow's deliveries, but I hope we get to see another 20,000 for September, so that at least for the very first time since NEO's existence, we see NEO delivering over 60,000 deliveries in a quarter. Yeah, man, we look forward to tomorrow or Monday, where we'll be getting to see these deliveries. But truth be told, the signs are showing that NEO is going to deliver over 20,000 deliveries, which is something that will be incredible, amazing to see NEO reporting those kind of deliveries. I mean, big financial institutions like Deutsche Bank, they've came out and did their predictions and indicated that they are expecting 20,000 deliveries from NEO, which again, it shows you that it's not us, the retail investors, that see the 20,000, but also the big financial institutions see or share the kind of sentiment, or the same sentiment that we are seeing when you look into NEO, which, like I said, it is something that is amazing and we look forward to. Otherwise, with all that, just thought I'd just give you this quick update as we are heading closer and closer to NEO announcing their August deliveries. I mean, tell me what you think. What's your prediction? I think a lot of you might agree, or so many of the investors will agree that chances are very high that we will see NEO getting over 20,000 deliveries, because let's face it, orders have been coming in decent numbers, 5,000 on a weekly basis, which is something that is pretty exciting, and therefore validates or shows us that indeed we can expect NEO to deliver 20,000 deliveries. I mean, last week NEO got another 5,000, which is something that gives us the confidence to say that even September NEO is going to continue doing well. One of the things that is really giving or putting NEO to do this well, now one of the things that is fueling NEO to do this well, you will know that as per the president of NEO, his comments yesterday. It is because of the battery rentals that have came down. It is because again of the subsidies that China is offering, the discounts that NEO is also offering. All these three are fueling into NEO getting, or are the catalyst that are making NEO generate some good sales or some good weekly sales, which is something that will lead into NEO continuing to deliver over 20,000 deliveries on a month to month. So we look forward. Tell me what you think. Otherwise, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. That's all from me. And do your own DD before you buy NEO, because this stock is quite volatile. Otherwise, God bless you all.